We're going to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox now. First, let's go to kali.org and download ISO image. The download is about 4 GB in size. Once the download completes, open VirtualBox and click New. Give it a name. And select the ISO image that we just downloaded. Click Next. Two GB of memory is good, but if you can give it more, it'll work even faster. And you should give minimum 2 CPU cores. Click Next and then Finish. Go to Settings and Display, and then set the video memory to max. And then click OK. Now simply press Start. Graphical install. Select the language. Select the country. Configure the keyboard. I'm going to leave it default. Give a host name, domain name, and full name of the user. Now username for the account. Choose a password and re-enter, then continue. Select the time zone. Use entire disk. Select the disk and continue. All files in one partition. Continue again. Yes. Continue. Continue. Install Grub bootloader. Yes. Select the disk. Continue. Kali new Linux and enter. Now enter the username and password we set before. Click on View and open full screen view. And now we have successfully installed Kali Linux on VirtualBox. Once again, don't forget to subscribe if you find this video helpful.